Hello, my name is Derek French, and welcome to my presentation of Reviving Walmart Inc. by addressing poor customer service, responding to changing times. So to get started, the reason why Walmart Inc. is a realtor of interest is that the giant realtor is unmatched in popularity, employs no less than 2.2 million people, and yet it has experienced serious management and staffing challenges. Notably, its workforce dropped by 120,000 personnel and has been ranked poorest performer among realtors in customer service by the American Customer Satisfaction Index 2 years in a row. Customer complaints are rampant, ranging from poor attendance, empty shelves, and long queues. I therefore propose to highlight the source of realtors' woes and potential means of readjusting the problems. In regards, Walmart's most evident challenge is outdated management practices and understaffing, both pointing to an inability to respond to modern-day retail industry changes and customer needs. So you can just see of Walmart and other departments, a little quick line graph of other departments are slowly on the rise while Walmart just keeps falling. They started off strong right when they started, but now, it's just getting a little out of hand, and you can see by the picture, those poor staffing shelves. So failing remedies. Such remedies as downsizing the workforce and closing some outlets in the hope of directing energies towards improving customer care and remaining stores have not attained the desired results. They're only down and not out. Walmart nevertheless has certain inherent strengths that should help them turning it around. They include a strong brand, in quotes, everyday low prices, higher volume of sales, strong company culture, adaptation of technology, and decentralized operations. The realtor Walmart should embrace management systems that correspond to today's customer needs, retail environment, and technology. Importantly, Walmart needs to replace emphasis on management and staff training on customer care and customer satisfaction. At the same time, management practice should focus on meeting customer needs. For instance, experienced assistant managers should be considered for promotions rather than external hiring, and motivate staff, which should translate into a better customer care. In conclusion, and hence Walmart must recognize that it is operating in the era of change. Customer preference, technology, and business environment are changing fast. Poor response to the changes is causing customer dissatisfaction. Therefore, the highlighted solutions, updating management and staffing practices will be critical in reconnecting with clients, gaining their confidence once more, and attaining customer satisfaction. Thank you.